Good morning children. I'm Sanisha. In this video, I'm going to discuss a small topic, fractions. Now, let's see which all topics we are going to cover in this video. Okay? First, you will understand what is fractions. Then you learn about different types of fractions. What are the different types of fractions? Yes, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fractions, like and unlike fractions, and equivalent fractions. Then we learn about conversion of fractions. That means mixed fractions we can change into improper fraction, and improper fractions we can change into mixed fraction. Okay? Now let's start. Okay children, first we are going to discuss about fractions. What is the definition of fractions? Fractions means a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Let's understand with the help of one example. One apple. That apple you divide into two equal parts. One part you give to your sister and the remaining is with you. So each part is called fractions. Okay? Then fractions, how you denote it as? Yes, numerator. Fractions, how you denote it? Numerator upon the denominator. Numerator upon the denominator. In this example, what is the fraction of each part? Yes, very good. 1 by 2. That means apple is divided into two equal parts. One part you give to your sister and the remaining is with you. So what is the fraction of each part? 1 by 2. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay? What is the definition of fraction? A part of a whole. A simple definition. A part of a whole. Okay children? Now let's understand different types of fractions. First one, proper fraction. First one, proper fraction. First one, proper fraction. Listen, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is a proper fraction because the larger number 8 hold up the small number 3. That means fractions which have numerators are always less than the denominator. Right? What is the definition of proper fractions? Fractions which have numerators are always less than the denominator. Fractions which have numerators are always less than the denominators. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Can you tell me some examples for proper fractions? Yes, very good. 2 by 5, 1 by 7, 3 by 4, 5 by 9, etc. These all fractions are proper fractions because all the numerators are less than the denominator. Right? Very good. Next we are going to discuss improper fractions. Second one, improper fractions. Improper fractions. Listen, 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is an improper fraction because the small number 3 hold up the large number 8. Children, that means fractions which have numerators are greater than the denominator. What is the definition? Fractions which have numerators are greater than the denominator. Numerators are always greater than the denominators. Such fractions are called improper fractions. Examples: 5 by 2, 7 by 3, 9 by 2, 8 by 5. These all fractions are improper fractions because all the numerators are greater than the denominators, right? So such fractions are called improper fractions. Next term, mixed fraction. What is the third one? Yes, mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means fractions which have two parts. Fractions which have two parts. Fractions which have two parts. A whole number followed by a proper fraction. Here I am writing one example. 1 2 by 7. 1 2 by 7 is a mixed fraction because a whole number followed by a proper fraction. Here 1 is the whole number and 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. So such fractions are called improper fractions. Now we discuss proper fractions, improper fractions, and third one, mixed fractions. Okay. This video, last we need to discuss improper fractions, change it to mixed fraction, and mixed fractions, change it to improper fraction. Okay. Now, what about fourth one? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Then what about fourth one? Yes, very good. Unique fractions. What is fourth one? Unique fractions. What is unit fractions? Unit fractions means fractions with a numerator 1. What is the definition? Fractions with a numerator 1. Such fractions are called unique fractions. Give me some examples. Yes, very good. 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, etc. These all fractions are unique fractions because all the numerators are 1. Okay. Next up, like and unlike fractions. So first we are going to discuss like fractions. Like fractions. Okay children, now let's learn about like fractions. What is like fractions? Yes, fractions with the same denominator. What is the definition? Fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with the same denominator. I will give you some examples. 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 2 by 7. These all fractions are like fractions because all the denominators are same. So I think, can you tell me what is unlike fraction? Yes, very good. Fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions. So unlike fractions means fractions with a different denominator. Very good. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions with a different denominators. Fractions with a different denominators. Example, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 4 by 9, 3 by 8, etc. These all fractions are unlike fractions because all the denominators are different. So like fraction means fractions with the same denominators. Unlike fractions means fractions with the different denominators. Then last one. What is last one? Yes, equivalent fractions. What about the last one? Equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fractions? I am not giving the definition. I just explain one example. Okay, let's understand with the help of one example. Listen, here I am drawing 4 circles. First one, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. Okay. Then first circle I divide 2 equal parts. Then I shaded one part. Circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Then I shaded one part. Second circle I divide into 4 equal parts. Then I shaded 2 parts. Then I shaded 2 parts. Then third circle I divide 6 equal parts. Then I shaded 3 parts. Okay. Then fourth circle I divide 8 equal parts and this shaded 4 parts. Okay children, let's see. First circle I divide 2 equal parts. Then I shaded one part. So can you tell me what is the fraction of the shaded portion of first circle? Yes, very good. 1 by 2. What is the fraction of the second circle? Yes, very good. 2 by 4. What is the fraction of third circle? Total 6 parts. Then we colored 3 parts. So fraction is 3 by 6. Then what about fourth one? Yes, the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Then we shaded 4 parts. So fraction is 4 by 8. Listen children, did you notice that the colored portion of all the 4 circles represent the same portion of whole, right? Such fractions are called equivalent fractions. That means, listen children, first circle, half of the circle we shaded, right? First one, 1 by 2 means actually half of the circle we shaded, right? 2 by 4, 2 by 4 means 4 parts, then we shaded 2 parts. half of the circle, right? And third circle also same like that. Circle is divided into 6 equal parts. We shaded 3 parts. That 3 parts means actually the half of the circle, right? And fourth one, the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Then we colored 4 parts. That 4 parts means actually the half of the circle. So in this 4 circles, we colored only the half of the circle. So these 4 fractions are equal. So we can write 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. These all fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay children? Now we finished different types of fractions. Now we are going to discuss our last topic, conversion. Okay, that means improper fractions we can change into mixed fraction, and mixed fractions we can change into improper fractions. Okay, I will give you more examples, that time you understand. Okay, listen. First we can change improper fractions into mixed fraction. Okay, improper fractions into mixed fraction. So I am giving you one example, 13 by 7. 13 by 7 is which type of fraction? Yes, improper fraction. Why? Why it is improper fraction? Because the numerators are greater than the denominators. Such fractions are called improper fractions. So improper fractions only we can change into mixed fraction. Okay. But to change into mixed fraction, we should follow 2 steps. Step 1. Divide and find the remainder. Divide and find the remainder. 13 by 7 is a fraction, no? That how you divide? Yes, very good. 13 by 7, that is a fraction, but that is actual meaning division. 13 by 7 means 13 divided by 7. Children, do you remember the multiplication table of 7? Yes. In 13, how many times 7? Very good. 1 time. 1 7s are 7. Then here we need to subtract. 13 minus 7, we got 6. So, after the division, we got quotient 1 and remainder 6. Okay? Then step 2. What is step 2? Yes, write in the form of mixed fraction. Write in the form of mixed fraction using quotient, remainder and divisor. Quotient, remainder and divisor like this. Q R by D in the form of Q R by D. What is quotient? 1. Remainder 6 by divisor 7. Divisor is 7. Children, you should remember that here denominator is 7. The given proper fraction denominator is 7 and we change into mixed fraction. That time also the denominator is same. Okay. So 13 by 7 is the given improper fraction. That improper fraction we change into mixed fraction. 1 6 by 7. 1 6 by 7 is an improper fraction. Yes, a whole number followed by a proper fraction. Here 1 is the whole number and 6 by 7 is the proper fraction. Okay. I will give you one more example. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction. We can write another example. Okay. 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is an improper fraction. That improper fraction we can change into mixed fraction. Listen. First step, divide and find the remainder. So 17 divided by 2. In 17, how many times 2? Yes, very good. 8 times. 8 2s are 16. 7 minus 6. Here we need to subtract. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So quotient we got 8 and remainder we got 1. What is step 2? Yes, write in the form of mixed fraction using quotient, remainder and divisor. It is denoted as like this. Q R by D. Here 8. Q means quotient. Quotient 8 and remainder 1 and divisor is same 2. So what is the mixed fraction? 8 1 by 2. 8 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So 8 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction for the given improper fraction 17 by 2. Okay children, next we are going to discuss how to convert a mixed fractions into improper fraction. Listen, now I am writing one mixed fraction. Find 1 by 4. Okay. Find 1 by 4. Actually, the improper fraction we change into mixed fraction. First step, divide and find the remainder. Then using quotient, remainder and divisor, we write in the form of mixed fraction. Actually, using the quotient, remainder and divisor, you are writing the mixed fraction, no? So, from here you got the quotient, remainder and divisor. Quotient, remainder and divisor. This is same like this form, no? The given mixed fraction is like in the form QR by D. So we can write Q is equal to 5, R is equal to 1 and divisor D is equal to 4. From this we can write like this. Quotient 5, remainder 1 and divisor 4. Using this, we can write the improper fraction. How you find the improper fraction? Yes, quotient into divisor plus remainder by divisor. This is the form to write the improper fraction. Quotient into divisor plus remainder by divisor. What about quotient? 5. 5 into divisor 4. 5 into 4 plus remainder 1 divided by divisor same 4. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 by 4. That is the improper fraction for the given mixed fraction 5 1 by 4. Children, I will give you one more example. Another improper mixed fraction 6 1 by 3. 6 1 by 3. This is actually in the form QR by D. Q is equal to 6, R is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3. Right? Then using this, we have to find the improper fraction. How you find the improper fraction? Quotient into divisor plus remainder by divisor. Okay? Quotient 6 into divisor 3 plus remainder 1 by divisor 3. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So numerator we got 19 by 3. 19 by 3 is an improper fraction. Right? That is improper fraction, no? Why? Yes, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So such fractions are called improper fractions. So the given mixed fraction we change into improper fractions. Okay children, I hope you all understand this conversion. Mixed fractions we can change into improper fraction, and improper fractions we can change into mixed fraction. Okay. So today we will discuss what is fraction, then different types of fractions, proper fractions, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fractions, like and unlike fractions, and equivalent fraction. Then last we discuss the conversion. Okay, mixed fractions we can change into improper fraction, and improper fractions we can change into mixed fraction. Okay children, let's wind up today's section. Thank you. Have a nice day.